Like any process, MRP needs inputs for it to function appropriately. An input is a product, service, information, data, labor, material, or any other type of resource which is added to a process step. The inputs that MRP takes are in the form of information or data. This information and data is then processed by MRP, which then creates outputs. In the case of MRP, some of the information that is used are inventory on hand balances, inventory locations, item numbers, item descriptions, unit of measure, lead times, and more. All of these pieces of data or information can be found in one of four factors. Those four factors are the master production schedule, the bill of materials, inventory data, and planning factors. Let's look at each of these four inputs in more detail. We'll see you in the next module.